So hey guys, in this video I'm introducing Social Stream. This is a Chrome extension that lets you consolidate chat from like Twitch, YouTube, and other social live streaming sites into a single pane. So here we have OBS, and we have added the output of the Chrome extension here. So the Social Stream overlay is docked, so we can add it as a dock here, and it then shows up as an interactive layer. So to give you an example, I can click on a message and it will pop up the message. How this works is, so we also have YouTube messages popping up here. So I can pause the chat. I can then scan through it, find messages I want. I can then clear messages afterwards. Right? Clear, and I can always resume. And if there's a lot of spam, I can hide emoji only. So that's a nice little feature. Okay, this is similar to a previous extension I made, but it's using peer-to-peer connectivity. So that's kind of cool. There's not, the data is not going through a server, it's going through a peer-to-peer connection. So it's more private and it handles more traffic and potentially lower latency. I don't have it in the Chrome store yet. So the way you do it is you can download it as a zip file. You extract this to, let's say, your desktop. I already have it installed. You can open up Chrome extensions in Chrome, right? I'll remove this because whatever. So here we are. You can say load unpacked extensions. You select the folder and you open it. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to open the pop-up windows for YouTube and Twitch, right? So the pop-up windows. And then we want to go up here and we want to make sure that we have the consolidated social stream plugin visible, and then we can turn it on. So enable stream. Until you do this, it won't actually start streaming the data from this over peer-to-peer. So you need to enable it. And then we have these two links. This is the dock. And if we put it here, it should start to populate as messages come in. So we'll just give that a second. Enable. Come on, there we go. I just had to refresh these windows to clear the previous one. But yeah, enable, disable will load them. Now, clicking on these messages won't do anything. And if we want the chat overlay, this is what we can use. So click a message, it appears here. Hit clear, it goes away. And if you click multiple, it will cycle through them. You can use this in OBS as a browser source. You can set the width to 1912 and the height to like 250, 400, or whatever you want. Different heights will impact things a little differently, but anywhere between 200 to 400 is good. And this dock you can add to OBS by going to Docs, Custom Browser Docs, and then putting it here and adding something in, right? And then you have your dock. Now you can pin that wherever you want. Since I already have it open, I'm just going to delete it. Your session is a stream ID here. So you want to make sure that all the elements are the same. So like this and this, it's going to automatically save. It will list what that current one here is, but if you uninstall the extension and reinstall it, it's going to change it. And if you do want to go in and change it, you can set it here. So you can go into the extensions, go into the settings for this extension options, and then change the number to be whatever you want. And then you can just restart the plugin. Okay. Boom. Okay. So that's kind of the idea. All the files are listed here. If you want to customize the overlay, you can use this file here, the index file. If you want to customize the doc, you can do that. It's at doc.html, and you can put in hotkeys, or like, for example, if you want to put in a filter, I added one called highlight. So if someone enters the message highlight into chat, it's going to react to that message. So if you want to use this consolidated doc as sort of a bot, you can scan the messages, look for certain keywords, actions, and respond to it as an overlay or something like that. So this is an interesting way to make a bot for your chat and an interactive overlay with very little work, and it can work across multiple platforms. Okay, I guess that's everything, guys. This is a very early version. I'm going to be adding more sites to this. I'll also be adding more features, better organization, things like that. So stay tuned, check back soon, and please provide bug reports and feedback. Cool. Bye, thanks.